only rolled cigars, never quite know yourself. With the wind that blows southbound towards Texas, got you wondering where the west went tonight. Like great white fields and open space in a beat up old traveling case, which you've seen all too many miles. Da, 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 da. Sheets all copper in golden light. It's somehow tonight it's looking gray. You paint it upside down, then you turn it all around. Yet strangely unconvinced it's just a game. 'Cause all too soon the snow melt and take away that warmth you felt, leaving your heart on the fence. I seen railroads and coffee cans, and no one seemed to understand the weather. And old oak trees and broken fences, and no one seemed to understand the difference between golden light and gray. I seen railroads and coffee cans, no one seemed to understand the weather. Old oak trees and broken fences, and no one seemed to understand the difference between golden light and gray.